As the world comes together to commemorate International Human Rights Day on the 10th of December, we turn the attention to a region that has been marked by a long-standing conflict, where the cries of grave human rights violations echo through the conflict-ridden valley of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The recent reports reveal alarming statistics, with over 96,000 killings, 7,000 custodial killings, 1,68,000 civilian imprisonment, 22,000 women widowed, 1,07,000 children orphaned, 11,000 women gang raped and molested, and 1,10,000 structures destroyed since 1989. Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir depicts worst situation of human rights violation at the hands of Indian occupation forces. The extrajudicial killings and the disappearances of the political figures, the human rights defenders, journalists, and the members of civil society has become a norm. They are victimized for their efforts in documenting and reporting grave human rights violations committed by Indian troops in the Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Media blackouts intensify the isolation of the region, impeding the reporting and addressing of human rights abuses to the outer world. The pursuit of justice, accountability, and the protection of basic rights have been a dream for the people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, similar to the war-torn people of Palestine in the Middle East against the atrocities of Israeli occupation forces. The international community must hold India accountable for its disastrous human rights violations and pay heed to the decades-long unheard cries of people of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir.